What sort of person built this van? Let's look at the evidence. Shotgun shell wheel nuts. Puerile British toilet humour. And a cooking subwoofer. What sort of person built this? And for the viewers at home, here's whose van it is. It's brewed. Yeah, cheers Mark.
Yeah, cheers mate.
And I'm going to have a little nose round his van. It's obviously a long wheelbase Sprinter. 5 ton. Whoa. See, hand painted on there.
Yes, it is rolling on mate, but you should have seen the paint job.
Bit of forklift damage that's been painted over with Hammerite. Nicely done. Oh yeah, lovely paintwork.
I like the lines.
Nice. Oh, military green, khaki.
Painted.
Well, this is my second van, but this has took a long time to do more.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You're just building it for yourself, not for resale then?
I shouldn't think we'll ever sell it, probably.
Yeah.
But the way that the climate is at the moment, you never know what's going to happen. So I'd rather, if we need to go in the van and bugger off somewhere like yourselves, that's what it's for. Poor old Ash got involved, didn't he, in Scotland? Ash Pollard. He got up there and found a nice little place and was trying to sort of stay away from everyone, and people found him, and then there was some guys in Scotland tried to beef him off. I think tried to see him off.
I'll look into that story. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, speakers, chilled out music.
Yeah, it's got like food.
Oh, crisps.
If this wasn't here so much, they fixed the ceiling.
A bit of insulation in there.
Yeah, a little bit of.
Oh right, magnetised to the ceiling. LEDs in the skylight. Yeah, love it. Map curtains. Level meter. To-do list, recipes. 4 hobs. Oh yeah, fridge, oven, the microwave in there, kettle. Oh yeah, all the kit there. Bog, shower. Oh, a man can dream, can't he? And of course, the bed. Nice work, Mark. Very nice. Action.
The stuff is donor from Caravan, so we bought the Caravan with all the stuff in it. Couldn't afford to buy it all singly. All the grill and stuff.
Alright. Was it your old Caravan or?
No, just a friend's. It had a fire in the back, so it was scrap.
Oh, yeah.
That's box at the bottom, that's an oven in the middle. But yeah, it was scrap, so we took the toilet, the sink, the oven, the grill, most of the wiring. Took everything we possibly could from it, basically.
Skylight, was that Caravan?
No, we just bought that one new. Right. I tried to get them out, but I couldn't get them out.
Oh, is this like multicolour LED remote?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, ambient mood lighting. Whoa.
Fire screen in it. Or it literally turns out blackout there. You can make it blackout.
Oh yeah.
It's literally blackout. You can have it that way, or you can have it so it's
Fly screen.
Yeah. And they're just magnetically held on. So
yeah. Nice.
It's a step.
All right. Does it serve as a cupboard? Oh
yeah,
yeah, nice.
As well, yeah.
So that separates your bedroom from your garage, really, there.
Yeah. Well, I built a tambour door here as well.
Oh, sweet.
So I can keep it all behind it, all in there.
Where did you get that from? An office cupboard or something?
That was actually out of the Caravan.
Oh, right.
It was horizontal rather than vertical, but I made it so it went in there. Just use the bed, it's a mess.
Let's go into the master bedroom. Oh, lovely shelving at the top there, spangled purple. Oh yeah, fire extinguisher, fans. You can see the insulation done into the wall there. Side netting, TV.
So there's overhead lights, and that's on both sides.
Wow.
There's the rest of it. So all the cupboards have got like overhead lights in both sides, and this disappears as well. So when it's bedtime, I just get that on at the moment.
Yeah, is it 20C in here?
Yeah, it's 20 in here.
Wow, it's a warm winter's day, isn't it?
Well, because this fan is this colour, it just attracts the sun a lot. So
and of course, global warming is a very real thing that we should all be worried about. Controversially.
Was it 7 degrees? 8 degrees outside of it.
Oh, 8 outside, right.
8 degrees, and it says 17 down this end and 20 up that end.
Oh, nice Chinaman. Oh, that's nothing controversial about that at all. Reckon. Of course, no van is complete without a library of plants in Britain. And of course, nothing like your Hong Kong book of Kung Fu from the SAS. Superstitions here. Let's have a look. All right, it says here global warming is real, and oh, this new strain of COVID-19 is lethal. Book on predicting here. It says that Klaus Schwab, the leader of the World Economic Forum, wants to instigate a great reset. Yeah. So we're all going to have nothing and be happy with it.
Just save this little tiny creature.
Sweet. Yeah.
Cool.
And if you want an entire video about an Aldous fly, link there.
Mind boggles.
Yeah.
It's a spaceship.
A spaceship. It looks like a...
Colonel, you better take a look at this radar. What is it, son? I don't know, sir. But it looks like a giant dick.
Yeah.
Take a look out of starboard. Oh my God, it looks like a huge...
Pecker!
Oh, yeah.
Wait, that's not a woodpecker. It looks like someone's...
Privates! We have reports of an unidentified flying object. It is a long, smooth shaft, complete with two balls.
What is that? That looks just like an enormous...
Wang, pay attention.
Leather seat upgrades. Are these swivelers?
They're not yet.
Not yet.
They're, I can't reach the buttons, but although all buttons are working.
Oh, there's posh. Yeah.
They came out of a Saab.
Nice. Must have been quite some modifying to get that in, or...
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I had to make some plates. But I like the Saabs. They've got this little front pocket that you don't often get in the other cars.
Oh, yeah.
So when you drive along, you can just put your phone down the front.
Ah. Oh, that's
always handy.
Handy. Reversing camera, yeah.
Wow. This thing's up here, but I don't really use it too much. Another computer. Chinese thing.
What, is it like a dash cam?
Yeah, it's like a Android. The rear view camera died, so that was after I'd finished my roof, so I then had to get a wireless reverse camera to fix it. Otherwise, I was being a long wheelbase. It's a bit of a nightmare sometimes to go backwards. I did have a rear view camera, but that only lasted about 2 weeks, and that was after I'd done all my wiring and stuff. There's an AC point up there. That's on the outside of a tank. Waterproof one. So you can plug your laptop in and leave your laptop up in this shelf.
Yeah.
To charge or anything else you want to put up there. It's mains. And the steering wheel. I put the buttons on the steering wheel. It's from a higher spec Sprinter. So
okay.
This one was just totally basic, had nothing, had a really bad dashboard, didn't even have a fuel gauge on it, so
wow.
I changed the dash, the steering wheel, the head unit. Well, that thing is, it's a hooter. And also you can tell someone if they're parked really close and you can't get out and you're stuck, you can just push your finger on the button and talk to them outside.
Ah. This is Russ Gold.
Oh, big Coltrane, you got your ears on, little bud.
I think that was probably the first ever mod I ever did. 2 little USB ports, one each side, and a little switch to turn them on and off. It's been a long time since I've used them. You don't get hardly so much condensation if you leave them open a little tiny.
Oh, there's the subwoofer.
Yeah, there's a bit of noise in there.
There's all the wiring there for the power supply. The fuse boxes.
It's messy. Yeah. Some of it's been left long on purpose so I can move it.
So there's the external input into the isolation switch, and you've got a massive leisure battery there through to
look at that,
a fuse box.
Can you see what that wiring does? 12 volt.
12 volts for the shitter.
Yeah, Votronic. That does everything from the solar.
And down the back there, that's the inverter.
I've sockets in that van.
It's got AC inverter with USB plugs there.
There's 2. There's 2. I have my toothbrush.
Don't get your toothbrush in.
There's 4 double sockets in there to charge. So when I'm at festivals, people can bring their laptops and their phones and stuff and just leave them here. Double socket. And then the other side of the wall to power the stuff near TV. That's another double socket. A double socket each side of the bed. All of these have got USB sockets in them. And then there's 12 volts for sockets should you need any more sockets. So yeah, you don't run out of power in my van. These are the last few things. It's a bit of an overkill. My friend's business, they had to close it down because they lost a part of their family basically, and he was the guy that drove the van about, so that forced the closure of their business. And so, because it was sad times, they wanted the van gone really, so I couldn't see it there on the driveway, I just took it. I mean, so they didn't have to deal with the grief really. So it sat here for a little while, and then I decided to set up on it and convert it. 10 hours of welding to patch the floor up, where it leaked at the front and basically the floor was rotten out from the side door to the back. 10 hours of welding. It's still spotless after that. It's all been sealed and underneath.
Nicely done.
Yeah. Might as well make the effort to do it if it's going to last, to weld it up properly.
Yeah.
It's set down into a pot with a big hole through the bottom so it can drain. I've got my manifold over there so I can adjust it, so I can isolate the cooker from the fridge from the hob, and then over that side at the top there, up just above it, that's my pressure regulator and main tap off. So I can turn it off here on the bottle, I can turn it off on the regulator, or turn it off on the manifold should I get a leak anywhere. And there's my fridge.
Nice. Freeze compartment?
Yeah. Look at that, it's minus 20.
Blimey, off the battery. Oh, yeah. You're off the mains at the moment, aren't you?
Yeah. So it can do gas, mains or 12 volt.
And cold running water. About, what, just over 6 foot high in there?
Yeah, I think it is, yeah.
Just right.
Can't bang your head on it.
Well, not us normal sized chaps.
It can take 5 tonne, but it weighs 3,800 at the moment with my build. And so it's not a light build. They're all the cabinets that's anything to do with moisture are all marine ply, and so they're 11mm thick and they're quite heavy. And all the rest of it's made out of 9mm thick. But it doesn't feel slow or anything as much as it was. And we've got enough space for the motorbike tail on the back and everything else really. So yeah, 3,800 kilos as we are now.